Hi, if you're in doubt on how to clean your Tassimo coffee machine, then I'm here to help and share with you how to do a weekly clean, so let's get going. Now I have the Tassimo Bosch Sonny Special Edition and I'll leave a link down below if you're interested in it. So let's start with the removing of our drip tray. Now we need to open up the brewing head and remove any used pods. Then we're going to remove the pod holder. Now to do this correctly, you need to pull upwards, not towards yourself. Okay, now we've done that, let's remove the spout. Now to remove the spout, we need to place our fingers at the end, which is your index and your middle finger, and we're going to push upwards in order to release it. Now, according to my instructions manual, this spout should come apart in 3 pieces. And I'm not going to force it in order to break it and then having to buy a new machine altogether. So I only pull mine apart in 2, as you can see here. Now I'm going to take all of these parts and place them in my washing up bowl with hot soapy water, and then continue with the coffee machine. Now we're going to clean the inside of the brewer head where the pods normally sit, and we're also going to pay attention to the barcode reader, which is this section of glass here. Now this should always be clean in order for the coffee pods to read the barcode. Now once done, move on to wiping down the exterior, ensuring all sides of the machine has been cleaned and is dust free. Then go ahead and dry and buff it off with a dry cloth, and then remove the water tank, which should be rinsed and refilled. Now we need to return to the sink and wash all removable parts. Now to clean the spout, you're going to need a brush, so I would advise using a small toothbrush. Now I have this which came with a set of reusable straws and it's quite handy. Once all done, we need to dry everything, then we need to replace them all back into our coffee machine. Reattach your water tank, replace the drip tray, then the spout, which needs to be reattached. Now as I said earlier, I took the spout off in 2 parts and it needs to be replaced like this. And they should just snap back together. And when placing back into the brewing head, and then just drop it back into the hole here, making sure it's in line, and then push down with your finger, in which it should just click into place. And now we need to reattach the pod holder. Close the lid. And you're now ready for coffee. Now I was hoping to show you how to descale your machine, which you do need a T-disc in order to do so. And your T-disc should have a barcode on it, which mine does not. So I'm unable to show you today. So please double check that firstly you have a T-disc and it comes with a barcode. Check out the next video coming up on kitchen reminders.